In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Launcher Personalization. Then scroll down again and tap on Icons. Finally, scroll down one more time and operate this slider under Icon Size. You can check preview of your icons at the top. When you finished to save your changes, scroll all the way down and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!